So, let's look at extrapolation. Let's see, here's Excel. Let me make up a simple x-axis, y-axis, um, 0, 1, 2, yeah, go 12, y-axis, let me do something, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, see if they pick up on that. Not really. 13, 17, 19, 23, 27. You guys know what I'm trying to do? That's not right. 31, 37. It gets hard after that. I'm, I'm choosing the um, I'm choosing the prime numbers. Let me see how close that was. Oh, I didn't put 2 in there. What the? Are you serious? I didn't put 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Did I have 29 and I erased it? I did. All right. 29, 31, 37. Okay. Don't need to save it. So let's see. I'm going to insert graph. Scatter's fine. Beautiful. And I can actually add a trend line. And it's linear right now, which is fine. That's the idea, but I can actually set it forward, forecast, I don't know, 5 more of these. So it actually lets me to extrapolate. Now that's linear extrapolation, and again, there's of course formulas for everything, but this definitely is not linear, right? There's a curve to it. So let me try again. Format trend line. Let me make it polynomial. Much better. And so that wouldn't be linear. That'd be polynomial extrapolation. So, or I could do exponential. But basically the idea that it actually goes in between. So if you want to look at interpolation again, we did linear interpolation. And you can see that for the whole thing, one of them isn't good at all, but we'd actually have to individually look at each one and interpolate, because linear is definitely not a good fit. So you can use the formulas, you can use Excel to map a trend line, and it works very, very well. And usually you can actually see exactly what's going on in each section. All right. So that's extrapolation, looking beyond. It's a really good predictor. So an example of how I've used this before, there was an online fundraiser at the only forum that I ever actually frequented, and I helped the web owner extrapolate, figure out when they would reach the when they would reach their fundraising goal. And it was pretty good. It was a little bit more complex situation, but it was exponential, and it worked out nicely. And there are of course other variables there, but this is all just an estimate. No matter how close you think you've gotten, until you actually get there and figure out what reality reflects, everything's just a guesstimation. But you can become better and better at this guesstimation depending on what clarity of your interpolation and extrapolation methods are.